What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to download and import assets into Meta's Horizon worlds using Meshy. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find ourselves an asset, either generating it or finding one from the community. We'll go ahead and download this little crab guy. Make sure it's an FBX, just simpler. Okay, evil little crab. What we're going to do is we're going to open that file and just move it to our desktop. Make it simple for us. We have it here on our desktop. Next, we want to open up Blender. And this is the key right here. Some of y'all might not know. AXD. Super simple. Gets rid of the camera, the light source, and the cube at the beginning. Next, we're going to go to File. Go down to Import. And since we downloaded an FBX, we are going to use the Import FBX. Now, go to our desktop, our little yellow crab, evil yellow crab FBX, and it should bring him straight in. Look at him. Now, in order to see the texture on the asset itself, all we got to do is press Z, hold it down. I don't think you need to hold it down, honestly. Press Z, and then down to Material Preview. Z, Material Preview. All right. Once you have the material on it, you're happy with the item, and this is what you're going to want. You're going to go ahead and unselect the item, select it again, go over to the right side. Almost all the way down, you'll see a circle with like a checkered kind of look to it. Go ahead and select that. It should be called Material. When you select that, you'll have a little window popping up, and in there you're going to have this little bar. Select the material name inside of it and just name it something super simple that is identifying to the item that you're going to go ahead and be uploading. We're just going to name it Crab. All right. So it's named Crab. Next, we're going to go ahead and File, Import, or not import, Export, FBX. File, Export, FBX. Okay. Meta only allows FBXs to be published. We're going to go ahead and go to our desktop, go inside that little folder, and just save it inside there as crab. You can also save it as this if you'd like, which I'll go ahead and do just to keep it simple. All right, I'm going to overwrite this. That's fine. Next, what we're going to do, go to the texture, either texture paint or UV editing. You should see this mess, right? That does not matter to you. All you're going to be looking for is image. Select image, go down to save, and what we're going to be saving here in that folder is we're going to be saving what this material name is. So go back, if you forgot it, go back over to the right side, go all the way, almost all the way down to that circle with a checkered little look to it. Select it, go to crab, or go to the material, and you should see crab there. We're going to go, or whatever you see. I'm going to go ahead and put in crab. Now this is the important part. At the end of the material name, you need to make sure it has underscore BR, capital underscore, or underscore capital BR. All right, super important. The next important thing is saving it as a JPEG. All right, JPEG. JPEG, not a JPEG, PNG. We don't want JPEG, we need PNG. All right, make sure it's right, we're good. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the Meta Horizons site. All right. Once you're there, go to your assets and import your 3D model. BR and the little name. All right, whatever name it has. We're just going to make sure if it's one item, don't check this. If it's two or more items, go ahead and press that, toggle that switch off. I'll import for us real quick. Hopefully real quick. Is it done? There's no way. Did it load that quick? I think it loaded that quick, guys. Well, anyway, we got that. Next thing I'll do is I'll go ahead and jump on VR just so you can go ahead and see it. Here in Meta Horizon Worlds, what I'm going to do is jump up into build mode, go into my assets, pull out that asset, check it out real quick, make sure it's looking the way I want. All good, all good. Texture's facing out the right way. And with that, you got your first asset. Some things to keep in mind are objects need to be saved as an FBX file, textures need to be saved as a PNG file, and those textures need to be named inside of applications like Blender and whatnot. Now, there are other material types, and I will go over those in future videos. And with that, I'll leave you guys to it. Like and subscribe if you want to see future content.